Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the PhD admission test 2020 in one of the state government university. Here there are 1063 PhD vacant seats are there among the 25 departments, and the UGC qualified candidates are exempted from the written test. They can directly go for the interview. Okay. So we will see the notification in detail regarding this PhD admission test 2020. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Lalit Narayan Mithila University. So here the notification released on 10th December 2020. PhD admission test PAT 2020. Online applications are invited for PhD admission test for admission to the PhD course. So the interested and the eligible candidates can fill up the online application form through the university website from 11th December 2020 to 31st December 2020, and with a late fine up to 5th January 2021. And the date of entrance test is 17th January 2021, that is on Sunday. Eligibility is candidates who are seeking for the admission in the PhD program should have the master's degree with at least 55% of marks in aggregate. Okay, and a relaxation of 5% of marks will be provided to the SC, ST, BC, EBC and differently abled categories of the candidates. And the exemption from the PAT 2020, the candidates who passed NET, JRF, BET, PAT 2018 or PAT 2019 of LNMU have secured grants for research such as fellowship or scholarships offered by the DBT, ICMR, ICAR, DST, CSIR, ICHR, etc. will be exempted from the PhD admission test. Assistant professor, associate and professor who have been appointed on substantive post in the UGC pay scale in the teaching department of the university or a constituent college of this university who have completed their probation successfully with an experience of at least 2 years of uninterrupted service would be exempted from the test. Okay. And the non-teaching employees of this university who are holding substantive appointment for more than 5 years and have secured at least 55% marks and master's degree in the subject concerned and have published at least 2 research papers in any repeated referred journals or journals identified by the UGC would also be exempted from the test. So here the 3 different types of categories are exempted from the test. Okay, and the candidates exempted from the PhD 2020 are also required to apply with requisite fee, and the candidates of exempted categories will have to appear directly before the interview board as per schedule along with the candidates who have qualified the PhD 2020. And how to apply? Candidates are required to visit university website and follow the PhD 2020 link available on the main page of the website. And the application fee is activated. The application link is activated and up to 11/12/2022, 31st December 2020 without late fine, and up to 5 January 2021 with late fine. And you can check down the entrance test fee 3000 rupees and 2000 rupees and 500 rupees late fine, and the mode of payment is the online payment, and the pattern of test is 2 papers. Paper 1 is 50 multiple choice questions on qualitative teaching and the research aptitude. Paper 2 50 multiple choice regarding the core course. Okay, the test of both the papers will be held in single sitting of 2 hours and 45 minutes from 11 a.m. to 1:45 p.m. Okay, and next, there is no negative marking in the paper. Entrance test schedule is given. Okay, 17th January 2021. Paper 1 11 to 12:15 and paper 2 12:30 to 1:45. And entrance test centers are given. Test will be held in Darbhanga at different centers, which will be communicated to the candidates properly. And coming to the subjects, here you can check down the subjects: A, I, H and C, biotechnology, botany, chemistry, commerce, dramatics, economics, education, English, geography, Hindi, history, home science, Maithili, management, mathematics, music, philosophy, physics, political science, psychology, Sanskrit, sociology, Urdu and zoology. So these all the different vacancies are there. Total 1063 nearly vacancies are there, PhD vacancies. So you can check down. Okay, so for more details I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay, so you may check down guys. Here the few important dates are given. Okay, the download of admit cards 14th January 2021 and the date of PAT 17th January, and interview of qualified candidates 1st February 2021. Finally, the commencement of coursework starts from 2nd March 2021. Okay, and here the few helpline mobile numbers are also there. If you are having any problem regarding this PhD admission test or the application form, then you may contact these numbers: 94707300013, 94310407113. Okay. So for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. Okay. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.